y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys some different items, different shipping items you may need for your business, so stay tuned for that. Getting right into the video. You don't really need this, but you can get it. It is the logo shipping tape. This one is new. I do have an open one, but I don't know where it is. So this one was on sale for $9 and it is from STICKERMULE. I usually use the clear tape first and then put this over it. Instead of buying the logo sticker, you can use this, and then in order for this to stick, you have to put water on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So just in case you guys thought I was whispering, I'm not whispering. I'm in an empty room, so the echo is like really bad. So I'm trying to avoid that, so I'm speaking very low. Well, it's not very low because I'm pretty sure people on the outside can hear me, but whatever. So this is the packaging tape I was referring to. I got this from Amazon. It comes in like 6 in a pack for $18 or $15. I'm not too sure. I'll leave the link down below. So I use this and then I put this over it. This secures it because this one is not that stable. So I use the clear tape first, which is very good, and then I use the logo tape. And this is I found the one that's open, so this is what it looks like. It just has my logo going straight across. And I think I mentioned this before, but it was on sale for $9. The regular price is $20. So, and it is from STICKERMULE. Alright, so this is the bubble mailer that I use. Sometimes I use the smaller ones. I did not feel like pulling up the smaller ones, but this is what I usually use for my big packages. And the smaller packages, I have a smaller bubble mailer. These are from Etsy, and I think I paid, it was $50 for 100, or it was 43 and change for 100. I cannot remember, do not quote me on these prices, but you can look it up on Etsy. If I can find a link, I'll leave it down below. So that's on that. And for the regular USPS packaging, this is what I use. So for the USPS, you can either use these. I believe this one is the padded bubble mailer, and I screenshotted the prices because I don't really use this one, but you guys might find it useful. Hold on. So the envelopes are $7.45. The flat rate price is $7.45. I believe that's the price at the post office, but if you do it online, it will be cheaper. Another thing is, if you have stamps.com, you get these for free. I mean, you can get them on USPS.com as well, but if you do have stamps for shipping, stamps.com for shipping, they give you like 25 of these, or you can get more. I usually just get 25. And yeah. Also, you can get a medium flat rate box. And this is perfect if you do wholesale. Let me show you guys how to. So basically what you do is just put it. Alright, give me a hard time, but this is what the medium flat rate box looks like. I usually use this a lot. What was I about to say? At the post office, I believe this is $15 and change. If you do it on stamps.com or PayPal, it is $13.30 if I'm not mistaken. So it's cheaper if you do it through PayPal or stamps.com. If you go to the post office, it's going to be more expensive. Remember that? What else? This is another box that I use from a wholesale. Depending on how big it is, I can either use the medium flat rate box or these small boxes. This from Amazon. I will leave the link down below as well. This is a 9x6x4. Alright, so I also ship my wholesale packages in these boxes. This is a 9x6x4. I'll leave the link down below for that. And it is, excuse me, and it is from Amazon as well. And it's pretty small. It's smaller than the European box. So it's pretty small. And these also came in 25 count, I believe. I think it was 25 count for about $20 or $15. Do not quote me on these prices, I cannot remember. And what else? Also the fragile sticker. This is also from Amazon, and I don't even know how long this is, but yeah, I don't know how long it is, and it is from Amazon, so I cannot remember the price. So I'll also leave the link down below for this. What else did I forget? I mentioned the boxes, I mentioned the tape, the sticker. The scale. I got the scale. I don't know why I just said scale like that, but the scale is from Amazon as well. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I believe it was between $16 and $20. As you guys can see, there's a lot of lip gloss on this. But yeah, there's not much to it. I tried to wipe this off and it's so hard, so don't mind the greasiness. I know you guys see me use this in my videos all the time. And you can also get this one, which is a digital scale. I got this from stamps.com and it was $10, which is cheaper. And it comes with a little cable. If you do plan to use stamps.com, they do offer you everything on there. Whatever you need for shipping is on there. The label, not the labels. I mean, you can get labels on there if you do plan to use the USPS packaging, but if you have your own, you can use PayPal, you can use, but stamps.com do offer you discounts. They send you little coupons that you can use. That's pretty much it that I have for the shipping items. This is the little mesh bags that I put my lip gloss in. You can get these if you would like. Anything that you use, I mean any items that you sell, if they are small, you can use these little mesh bags. This is also from Amazon. I will leave the link down below. What else? You can also use a thermal printer. I don't have one of those yet, but I do plan to get it because I believe that it's ink. It doesn't use ink. And it's for your shipping labels to print easier and stuff like that. Right now, all I have is a regular printer. You can get a regular printer as well, along with the sticker papers for the labels. Or you can use regular printing paper. I'm just going to show you what the stickies look like. So the thing with the thermal printers, you don't have to, it doesn't use ink. And you save yourself the money you use for the ink. You can save that as well as paper and stuff like that. But basically for my printer, this is what I use. This is the sticky paper that I got from Amazon. It does come double. I don't know why I just did that, but it comes in two and I cut it in half in order to use it in the printer. I'm gonna show you how you peel that off. My nails is pretty long, so alright, so this is how you peel it off after you print everything on here. And I can't use this because it's ripped anyway. You just stick it on here like so, and this is your label. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Yeah, this is not the right place it goes. It actually goes right here, but if you don't have the USPS labels, which you can get on stamps.com, I believe you have to pay for that. I believe you have to pay for that. I don't use it. I just use the regular labels from PayPal or stamps.com. I don't use stamps.com anymore anyways, because you have to pay $20 a month, and I'm not doing that. So it comes with discounts and stuff like that, but I'm used to PayPal, so I'm just gonna stick to PayPal. But this is the sticky paper. I will leave the link for this down below as well. This is from Amazon. I talk so fast that I stumble over my words, as you guys can tell, but whatever. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.